Future HTC, Dan, Kayvon, Desmond, how's it going? I'd like to give my testimony. I just want all these people to know that this was well worth it. This is the best money I have ever spent. The best money I have ever spent on anything in my life. No lie, no tricks, no gimmicks. This is the thing that you need to get to. But just a little bit about myself. I'm Prynce Austin, and right now I work pretty much a 9 to 5. And to be honest, I do not like it. I hate it, the most of it. I hate it. I just want to do my own thing. My biggest thing is living free while I'm young. That's what I want to do. I want to be rich while I'm young. So when the webinar said something about making 6 figures in a few months, oh buddy, I jumped on it. And yeah, I was a little skeptical at first. The money was a bit steep, and I was like, I don't know. And I waited 2 or 3 months before I actually decided to get this done. And to be honest, that was the most regretful thing that I did. That was the most regretful thing. And I shouldn't have done that. I should have just bought it when I saw the webinar first. But the thing that was the most surprising during this whole experience was the fact that it was a transformation. It was like I went in a different person, and I came out fresh. I came out newer than I wanted to. And that's the thing, then I wanted to. It was more than I expected, a lot more than I expected. There was gift after gift. There's a family that comes along with it. It was great. It was motivation on top of motivation. And for you guys who are out there thinking, should I do this? Should I not do this? To be honest, this skill can be used anywhere in life. Stop wasting time. Get on this now. Because to be honest, this may not be available next week. I don't know what Dan's plan is. No one knows what only Dan knows what his plan is. His plans may change, and you may not be a part of them. So I take this opportunity now. Spend the money. Quit wasting time. On the contrary, I'd like to say thank you to Dan, Desmond, and Kayvon. You've outdone yourself. You've definitely outdone it. This has been the best experience of my life. And I want to say thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.